Is using too much toilet paper the main reason for toilet clogs? Yes, it is one of the most common causes, but it is rarely the only factor. Too much toilet paper can overwhelm a trap or a narrow pipe and create a wad that resists flushing, so use smaller amounts and flush more than once when necessary. Choose toilet paper that is labeled as septic safe or designed to break down easily. These sheets disintegrate faster and reduce the chance of a mass forming. Pay attention to your toilet model and age because older or low-flow toilets have weaker flush dynamics. If you repeatedly need multiple flushes, consider replacing the unit with a modern high-performance model that matches your plumbing line capacity. Avoid flushing non-soluble items like disposable wipes, sanitary products, dental floss, paper towels, cotton balls, and cleaning wipes because they do not break down and will catch on toilet paper to form blockages. If you suspect a downstream pipe restriction, use a flange plunger first to create good pressure, then a plumbing auger with a cable no larger than the toilet drain to avoid damaging the porcelain. Insert slowly, rotate clockwise, and withdraw in short pulls to avoid tearing the trap seal. Maintain your system by checking vent pipes for bird nests or debris and periodically running hot water through seldom used drains to prevent buildup and root intrusion in sewer lines. The three most common mistakes are flushing excess toilet paper or non-soluble items, assuming every toilet has the same flush strength, and delaying action when a partial clog is present. For excess paper or wipes, stop flushing and remove as much as you can with a plunger or scoop into a trash bag, then complete the flush to verify flow. If the toilet is weak, test with a bucket of water poured quickly into the bowl to simulate a strong flush and plan for a replacement if that resolves the issue. Consult a plumber if you are uncertain about trapway size or drain line condition. When a partial clog is ignored, it often becomes a full blockage. Address slow draining immediately with a plunger or auger, and inspect downstream cleanouts if available to prevent overflow or sewer backups. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to plumbing and other home needs. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange real-world tips and neighborhood-specific advice.